Okay, we're going to learn how to use reference materials. Most likely this would be in a dictionary. Now, if you look at a definition online, you might not see some of these parts, but you will see most of them. So again, if you get a full sheet, you only need half of it. So you need these 6, and they actually do go in order. But let's describe these. So the guide words is this tells you the first word and last word defined on the page. So you're only going to see this on an actual dictionary. So that way, if you're looking for a word, it just helps you to know if you're too far ahead or too far behind. Then we've got the entry word, and that's the word that's being defined. So for here, it's, So here, it's hair and hand. So it says these are the ones, like hand would be the last word that it defines. Okay. This one, it's the words being defined. So it could be hair or haircut, right? Or hairy. And that just... and the dots tell you where a syllable is. So if there's no dot like hair, that's a 1-syllable word. Then in the parentheses, so I'm going to put this, you see how to pronounce it. So it shows you whether it's a short or a long. Okay. And that is called the pronunciation. So how to say it. Then you got the definition. So if we look at hair, definition, it says it's a noun, a very thin thread-like growth on the skin of people or animals. There's multiple definitions here. So the second one is a mass of such growths. Okay. Then we've got parts of speech. Now that's where that N, so noun would be N, verb is V, adjective is ADJ, adverb is ADV generally. Okay, and you're going to see that. And you'll notice, for instance, like half, depending on how you're using it, half can be both a noun and an adjective. So you also want to think about how you're using it in your sentence. And the final thing is it shows you the plural form, so how to make more than one. Now, if it's general like haircut, you see that it doesn't put hairs, or actually it's a massive growth, but haircut, like it doesn't show haircuts, but half is different. So since it is irregular, so you're going to see this usually if it's irregular. Okay. So there you go.